And though we see ourselves as progressive youth, some of us keep thinking of medieval or acrobatic traditions when it comes to sex. Today we will name different ways that have nothing to do with protection from unwanted pregnancy. All these methods have low Pearl index, which means they just don't work, regardless of how many people believe the opposite. Help of gravitation. There is a thought that if the girl gets up shortly after sex, then the gravitation prevents the unwanted pregnancy since the sperm flows out. That's just not correct. Just a portion of sperm that has already got as close to the cervix as possible would suffice. The rest would just reduce the acidity of the vaginal walls to make it an easier job for the active sperm. Burn them down. Heavy warming of the testicles is thought to result in a temporary infertility, but there is no official manual on how to boil the testicles, so there is no guarantee that no offspring comes after the warming. But you may get a chance to learn more about cancer or sterility then. The sixth sense. There are women who know for sure when they are ovulating, but sometimes there is a chance to get pregnant by having unprotected sex days before the ovulation. And, by the way, who told you that you'll get a single ovulation in the cycle? You shall not pass. Being a virgin before your first sexual encounter does not save you from becoming pregnant during it, in spite of what you may have heard. It may even increase your chances, since there is a storm of new emotions and feelings that makes less room for critical thinking. Irrigation. Those of us who like putting things inside them won't get a high Pearl index for their suffering. Some of the strangest products to be placed inside a vagina include potassium permanganate, lemonade, and even a sliced pineapple. Sure, the sperm might get burnt, as well as a part of your tender vaginal walls, but the most active fighters will already be near the cervix, wiggling their tails. Next time we'll talk about a real contraception, how trustworthy they are. Leave a comment about the craziest methods you heard, and click the subscribe button to learn more. Have nice sexual encounters!